you got bit? Shark bait anything?
Hey, don't leave me with this shit.
Woo! They're basically up on there. Let me fish, come on.
Are you going in? I'll go.
Oh yeah! Awesome sauce. I tripped out this morning when I squeezed it.
I got the toes. They're not cute. You're gonna scare everyone away.
Badass bitch.
What are you doing for a job?
What you need is a sandal slapped across your fucking face.
What do you do for a job?
Warehouse, dude.
How much you making an hour?